The first human who will never age may already be alive. For most of history, aging was treated as an inevitable part of life, a destiny we all had to accept. But modern science is completely reframing this ancient belief. What if I told you that aging isn't natural? It's damage. The slow, accumulating damage that our bodies endure over a lifetime. Think about it. Wrinkles, memory loss, a decline in strength, we've always associated these with the passage of time. But what if they're not? What if they're simply systems failing? Our cellular machinery breaking down, our DNA getting corrupted, our biological processes losing efficiency. And here's the revolutionary idea: every system that can fail can also be repaired. This isn't just a hopeful theory anymore. It's the new frontier of medicine, and it's powered by technologies that once seemed like science fiction. Artificial intelligence is now designing novel drugs and therapies at a speed humans could never achieve, predicting how molecules will interact inside our bodies before they're even synthesized. In laboratories around the world, scientists are already demonstrating that cells can be reprogrammed. They can take an old cell and, by flipping a few genetic switches, make it behave as if it were young again, restoring its function and vitality. At an even smaller scale, nanotechnology is being developed with the incredible promise of repairing our DNA molecule by molecule. Imagine microscopic robots patrolling our bodies, fixing errors in our genetic code before they can cause disease or aging. This isn't something happening in the distant future, centuries from now. It's happening quietly right now in labs and research institutions behind closed doors. The breakthroughs are accelerating. The progress is exponential. We're not talking centuries away, we're talking decades. Some experts believe the first person to live to 150 has already been born. Others are even more optimistic, suggesting that within our lifetimes, we could see aging become a treatable condition. The year humans stop aging might be closer than any of us think. But if we succeed, if humans stop aging, everything breaks. The entire foundation of our society is built on the reality of a finite lifespan. Retirement as a concept ends. What does a career mean if it spans centuries? Our economic models would shatter. Governments designed around predictable population cycles of birth and death could collapse under the strain. And the most obvious consequence, the population would explode, putting unimaginable pressure on our planet's resources. Our world, our cultures, and our very definition of what it means to be human would be forced to change in ways we can barely comprehend. It forces us to confront an even deeper, more personal question. For all of human history, our limited time has given our lives meaning and urgency. We strive, we love, we create, knowing our days are numbered. But when death is no longer guaranteed, when time becomes infinite, life stops being urgent. The drive to achieve, to experience, to connect, what happens to it all? So if you could live forever, should you? If you were given the choice, would you take it? Think about it. The future is coming and it's asking you a question.